What we've learned over the last 20 years working with coffee farms is that a coffee farm that is properly managed, forested, and meeting the criteria of the AAA program or the Sustainable Agriculture Network standard is very similar to a natural forest. It has the same benefits of supplying water, the same biodiversity nearly, and it helps control climate change. On the other hand, many coffee farms have deforested and gone to a system that can be higher production but at a tremendous environmental cost. So what we want to do is keep the high production but reduce the environmental impacts.
The AAA program was designed to protect and restore the environment. So in order to do so, we help farmers to implement best practices. And that's not only done by Nespresso agronomists, it's also the technical expert of the Sustainable Agricultural Network, which is a coalition of conservation groups and other coffee suppliers too.
The farmers are introduced to the program through the task manual, a self-assessment tool developed by Nespresso and Rainforest Alliance. When they've done it, they're invited to participate in workshops about farming practices. A team of agronomists are going to assess these farmers later on, and this whole process is independently verified by Rainforest Alliance.
The general idea of the Nespresso AAA program is to help farmers to find the right balance in water management, soil and biodiversity, while increasing productivity and coffee quality.
Las deficiencias que teníamos era que no teníamos una conservación de suelo adecuada. En cuanto al medio ambiente también, las aguas mieles iban directamente a los arroyos, a los ríos. Las basuras orgánicas e inorgánicas también eran tiradas por cualquier lado. Ahora por este programa hemos avanzado mucho, en especial en cuidar al medio ambiente.
Bueno, las medidas principalmente que yo he tomado es cero herbicidas, cero químicos en mi finca, más vegetación que me la dan los árboles. Eso es muy fácil. Si todos hiciéramos eso, yo pienso que camináramos mejor en la cuestión de lo que es el café, las medidas que tenemos que tomar, porque esto se está calentando cada día más y los árboles nos dan protección, los árboles nos dan vida. Eso es muy importante tenerlo en cuenta para un futuro.
This is an ambitious program. The only way to make it work is to include partners along the whole value chain, starting of course with the farmers, including the NGOs that have various roles in ensuring sustainability and in teaching the farmers, the trading companies that work with the farmers already and buy their coffee and supply Nespresso, and of course Nespresso itself, which is driving it all. A program like this must have all of those members in the coalition if it's going to be long-term, sustainable, and successful.